Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Mitsubishi Outlander app. First, download the Mitsubishi Connect app from your smartphone's app store. Make sure your Outlander is parked in a safe location with good cellular signal. You'll also want to have your vehicle's VIN and registration information handy for the setup process. This ensures a smooth and quick start. Next, open the Mitsubishi Connect app and create a new user account. You'll use your email address for this step. Once logged in, the app will guide you through adding your Outlander. It's crucial to accurately input your vehicle's VIN when prompted. This links your specific vehicle to your account, enabling all the connected features. After pairing, you'll need to activate your connected services. Confirm your Mitsubishi Connect subscription is active, as this is essential for app functionality. The app may require additional verification steps to ensure your security. Once activated, try a basic function, like remotely locking or unlocking your doors, to confirm everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, try restarting your phone and your Outlander's infotainment system. Also, double-check that both your vehicle and phone have a stable internet connection. Sometimes, a simple refresh resolves minor glitches. For persistent problems, don't hesitate to contact Mitsubishi customer support. They can provide further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.